Hi, my name's Reggie, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my homemade fudgy brownies, step by step. These brownies are absolutely delicious. Stay tuned to the end, and I'll show you my secret ingredient.
Oh, now it's party time.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. Wait a minute, who are you?
I'm kind of like your alter ego, but we could be bros.
No, we will never be bros.
All right, bro. Well, just let me know about that secret ingredient.
Yeah, sure. What's wrong with you?
Oh, sorry about that, bro.
Yeah, okay. For this recipe, we're gonna need 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, a half a cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of brown or granulated sugar, 3 eggs, a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a half a cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. First, we need to melt our chocolate and butter together. To do this, just place a bowl over simmering water. Then add in our 6 ounces of chocolate and half a cup of unsalted butter. Now, just stir that around till everything is completely melted and well combined. We can remove our chocolate and butter mixture from the pot of water. Just make sure to wipe off the bottom of the bowl, that way condensation doesn't get into our mixture. Next, let's add in our 1.5 cups of sugar. You can use either brown or granulated sugar. Today, we're going to use brown sugar because brown sugar tends to hold on to water just a little bit more than granulated sugar. It'll make our brownies just a little bit more chewy. Then we'll add on our 3 eggs, one at a time. Just make sure that each egg is well combined with the mixture before you add in the next egg. I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder just to make these brownies just a little bit more chocolatey. Finally, we'll mix in our all-purpose flour. I'm using half a cup and 2 tablespoons. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to about 350 degrees. All we have to do now is just pour our mixture into the baking pan. But before we add our mixture into the pan, I like to line the pan with parchment paper. This is an optional step, but it just makes cleaning so much easier in the end. Now, let's just throw these bad boys into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Now, we just gotta find something to do for about 35 or 40 minutes.
I think I got an idea.
No.
Bro, are you all right?
I have a headache. These brownies are amazing, guys. Oh yeah, I almost forgot my secret ingredient. I like to put a little bit of salt on top of the brownie. It brings out that chocolatey flavor. Perfect.
Hey, do you let the salt drop off of your elbow? Like,
No, I don't let it sprinkle off my elbow and fall onto the brownie like I'm Salt Bae or something. Do you want to know what else goes really good with brownies?
yeah, bro, I think I know.
Cookies.